I was like, maximizing conversion. We see a lot of clients come to us with mistargeted ads. You can see that flower delivery near me was actually the better keyword. Logical Position takes a holistic approach to marketing. Everything works together in harmony. Your website, your ads, social, Facebook. It's the same thing. PPC, SEO, email marketing. Every aspect works to improve the other. My purpose is to teach you about PPC ads.
PPC?
What exactly is the PPC?
PPC, or pay-per-click ads, can be run on two different platforms, Microsoft Advertising and Google Ads. There's a lot that goes into the setup and management of PPC ads, and we're going to focus on the different campaign types and when to use them. We'll also talk about Google My Business and how you can utilize that in your ads account. We'll discuss the importance of conversion tracking and how to set up your ads moving forward. So Google Ads is the primary method of online advertising. On average, Google gets about 100 billion searches per month. We've all done this before. If you pull up a window, for example, I'm gonna type in electric toothbrush. And within, a fraction of a second, millions of results are generated, sorted based on what Google thinks you're gonna find the most relevant. As you can see right here, most of these results that I'm scrolling through are gonna be ads. So the question is, how do you make sure that you're reaching the right audience and bringing in the most qualified users that are most likely to purchase your goods and services? Additionally, you can advertise with Microsoft Advertising, the band formerly known as Bing Ads. The Microsoft Search Network holds down about a third of the overall market share on desktop, and it's an additional platform you can advertise on, reaching users you might not reach if you're only advertising on Google. Overall, it's best to think of PPC ads like a relay race. It starts with the user's search. They type something in and Google pulls up a list of results based on relevance to the search term. Then the baton is passed to your ad, and it's the ad's job to pass the baton to your website. From there, the website passes the baton to you, the business owner, and it's your job to focus on closing the sale. The Usain Bolt, so to speak, of that relay race is gonna be the ad, because this is what's getting the user to your website. It's what's making you stand out against the competition, and there's a considerable amount of strategic optimization that goes into ensuring that your ad is clicked over that of your competitors. So the question is, what type of ads are there, and what's the value of each of these? In general, there's three types of campaigns that we like to use: search, display, and shopping. First off, you have the foundation of online advertising, which is search ads. These are exclusively text ads with various components designed to enhance the performance of your ad. Each search ad contains multiple headlines in blue, as you can see here, a URL, and a description. There are also extensions to each ad. This can be a variety of things. It can be phone number, location, different pages that link to your site, etc. The goal is really to give your ad as much content as possible, because the more real estate you can hold up in the search results, the more successful your ad's going to be. Next, you have display campaigns. These are image ads designed with really three goals in mind. The first is to generate brand awareness.
Bye, guys.
The second is to increase your visibility. And the third is to re-engage users who have already shown interest in your goods and services.
Let's see that again! I don't think we need to see that again. All right, let's see that again.
The most frequently used strategy for display ads is remarketing. Remarketing ads are the ads that follow you around the internet. One of my coworkers likes to say that it's like you're being haunted by the sites that you visited.
I am so scared.
Remarketing is really designed to re-engage users who have already shown interest in your products. The goal is to really get people into the site that have a higher chance of converting because they already showed you, hey, I'm interested in what you have to offer. The last type of ad is a shopping ad. Now, these feature your product image, reviews, pricing, etc., and they show in the shopping carousel in the search results. Now, for e-commerce businesses, this is really going to be the bread and butter of your account. Shopping ads are also effective because the shopping carousel will typically show to the right or above the search results, giving you a higher chance of converting a user if you're utilizing this feature and your ad's included in that carousel. So we've reviewed the campaign types, but the big question is when to use each one and why. For lead generation and service-based businesses, something like a local carpet cleaner, for example, search ads are going to be the primary way that users find your business. They're typically going to be reaching out to you via phone call, email, contact form, etc., hence why we use the term lead generation. So let's use our local carpet cleaner as an example. If he's targeting the word carpet cleaner and I, as a nearby user, search for carpet cleaner near me, his ad is likely to populate in the search results because carpet cleaner was used in the search term. There's a lot of factors that really determine where your ad shows in the search results, but the main two are, 1, how close your search term was to the keyword being targeted, and 2, what you're bidding on that keyword and how it compares to the bids of your competitors. When a user searches for something that contains a keyword or phrase that you're targeting, Google runs an auction for ad space between you and everyone else bidding on that keyword to determine where to place you in the search results. The hard part is determining where to place your bids so that your ads are showing to the most relevant users throughout the day, but also maintaining a good position in the search results. The long-term goal is to find the sweet spot for your bids to maximize the efficiency of your ad spend. Another important and underutilized tool for search ads is Google My Business. Having a GMB listing allows you to link that to your ads account and serve a location extension in your ad. This not only gives your ad the ability to hold down more real estate in the search results, but it's also very beneficial if you're looking to drive more local traffic to your business. Your Google My Business listing is a knowledge panel that shows up typically to the right of the search results, containing the following: your business name, your location, hours, photos, phone number, etc. Your GMB listing can also show up in the Maps section of Google. Again, this is very useful if you're looking to drive more local customers, and it also establishes credibility for your business. Logical Position has a Google My Business team that can perform audits of your Google My Business account. We give you a detailed, organized document that contains information on how you can improve your Google My Business listing and in turn, increase your online presence. This is a free service that we provide for our clients, and while we don't currently offer a service to make the changes for you, we do make it very easy and simple for you to do it yourself. Display ads, as I mentioned, can also be a great way to generate more business at a lower cost. There are multiple strategies that can be used with display. Remarketing ads, which is what I've talked about before. Remarketing ads are the ads that follow you around the internet. Are really designed to re-engage users that have already been to your site, and you can get as granular with the audience targets as you want. You can target everyone that's been to your site. You can target specifically people who have been cart abandoners, as we call them. So they put something in the cart, didn't actually purchase it yet. You can really get as targeted as you want, but it's really designed to bring people back that have already shown an interest. The other option is prospecting. So this is reaching for people that haven't yet been to your site but might have an interest in your goods and services. We can build out custom affinity or custom intent audiences, which are designed to reach people who have been to sites similar to yours or, have shown an interest in products and services similar to what you offer. The third campaign type, as I mentioned, is shopping, and that's again going to be the bread and butter of an e-commerce business. And not only are shopping ads typically cheaper because they have a lower cost per click, but they're also a great way to showcase the products that you offer. Everyone knows the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Look at this photograph. And with shopping ads, it really puts that theory to the test. Images are designed to grab your attention. So if your products are serving in the shopping carousel, there's a much higher chance that your product would sell versus that of a competitor who isn't using that tool. Shopping ads can also improve the quality of the user who's clicking on the ad. Because all the information available is right there in the shopping ad, the user is much more likely to be a highly qualified buyer because they know exactly what they're getting before they even click on the ad. So I've given you the what of PPC ads. The big question is why? Why bother to use digital advertising versus TV or radio advertising? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching part 1 of this PPC video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss part 2, which is coming very soon. I'll see you then.